All right, Shalom. First off, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakakwadash. Double honors to Elders, Great Millstone, and Root Well. And I've been pushing this word for years. And third to Akim out there from the four corners of the globe. All right. And I have this article here. And the article reads, Face mask mandates return in multiple states as doctors warn of quademic of 4 viral infections. All right. And as you can see, man, all right, things are amping up, all right, throughout the four corners of the globe. All right. And hey, this could very much be the year, man. All right, we just gotta watch as well as pray. All right. But as you can see, mask mandates has returned to multiple states, man. All right. And of course, you know, the masses are going to fall for the hook, line, and sinker, man, as they did with the first one. All right, whatever Yahweh Shemau Shah sees is as fit. All right, to bring about the furthering down of Esau's Edom's kingdom and his chief city Babylon the Great, aka America. All right, and that C-19 crippled this place. All right, so there's no telling, man, what this next one is. All right, even though we I'm just speaking as a man, I have somewhat of a clue what it might be. All right, the bee flu. All right, but hey, again, we have to watch as well as pray, man. All right, because this is the Most Highest movie. All right, and reading on in the article, it reads, a quadruple whammy of viruses are hitting the U.S. as millions go back to work after the holidays. Data shows official figures reveal that infections caused by flu, C-19, RSV, a respiratory illness that causes the cold, and neurovirus, sometimes called the stomach flu, are started to surge over the Christmas period when families gather to celebrate. And experts say figures will only continue to rise over the coming weeks as the U.S. heads into the peak period of its annual flu season. Data shows the notorious cases are at their highest level for this time of year since 2012, while RSV hospitalizations are up nearly 40% in 2 weeks. An estimated 1.3 million people have been sickened by the flu so far this season, while 37,000 have been hospitalized and 1,500 have died. And the number of states with very high levels of the disease has quadrupled in a week to 8. There have also been an estimated 2.5 to 4.4 million COVID cases between October 1st and December 7th. Estimates suggest including 72,000 to 120,000 hospitalizations and 8,200 to 13,000 deaths. The surge in infections is prompting a return of mask mandates in some states, with a hospital system in Wisconsin this week becoming the latest to reinstate them. Hospitals in parts of California, Illinois, Indiana, and New Jersey have also brought back the rules for staff and visitors. Officials in New York are urging people to consider wearing a face mask on public transport. The above map shows flu activity levels by state in the week of December 21st last year. A total of 8 states had very high levels of the virus. All right, jump down. Experts say the surge in winter infections is being driven by increased mixing over the holiday period and also by travel on public transport and airplanes. The issue is compounded by the fact that people's immune systems are weakened during COVID lockdowns and work from home rules, leaving some at greater risk of more severe illness. Dr. Joe Breezy, an infectious disease expert who spent 2 decades at the CDC, told DailyMail.com, what we are seeing now is an increasing amount of respiratory disease and the neurovirus that is really all over the U.S. It is what we see most years, and we will probably see increasing amounts over the next few weeks as well. The expert, who also works for the Task Force for Global Health, added, for each of these 4 viruses, we will see increases through January, and they will peak sometime in January or early February. But the peaks will be slightly different depending on where you live in the U.S. Dr. Todd Rice, a professor of medicine in Tennessee, told a local provider being indoors and around a lot of people can lead to more viral spread. Cases will probably stay high for another week or 2. The 8 states with very high levels of flu are Louisiana, Washington, Tennessee, Alabama, California, Idaho, New Mexico, and Mississippi. Data also shows that for RSV, an estimated 22,000 to 45,000 people have been hospitalized with the disease since October, while 980 to 2,300 have died. Its hospitalization rate was up nearly 40% to 1.8 per 100,000 in the week of December 7th, the latest available, compared to 1.3 in the week of November 23. It's like November 23rd. It's like it. For the neurovirus, data shows there were more than 90% outbreaks recorded in the first week of December, triple the 30 recorded 2 weeks previously. It was also the most outbreaks recorded at this time of the year for any year since 2012. The unusual surge in neurovirus cases may in part be linked to an outbreak in Los Angeles, with at least 80 people sickened after eating raw oysters tainted with neurovirus at a restaurant. Dr. Breezy told DailyMail.com previously, cases will go up as people get back on planes and travel for their holiday season. Any airplane right now certainly has people with viruses on aboard, and we do tend to see big peaks just after the winter holiday as people have traveled. It's like you got infected and then gone back to school. Flu, COVID, and RSV are all spread primarily slightly via respiratory droplets that are released into the air when someone coughs, sneezes, or even talks. But neurovirus, on the other hand, is spread via contact with surfaces that have been touched by someone who is already sick. Experts say the neurovirus case can spike at any time of the year, but they tend to surge during the cold months because people are spending more time indoors. Symptoms of flu, COVID, and RSV include a fever, cough, shortness of breath, and blocked nose. All right, and it's also symptoms for the bee flu, man. All right, so again, man, these devils are implementing this thing slowly but surely, man. All right, just like how they would cook a frog, man. All right, put him in the pot and turn the heat up little by little, man. All right, that's what Esau does to the masses. All right, because nobody's really looking for it, man. All right, but again, this devil, and he can't get over on the men of the Lord. All right, we see what the tricks that this devil plays, man. All right, neurovirus, on the other hand, is a gastrointestinal illness and causes symptoms including vomiting, diarrhea, nausea, stomach cramps, and body aches. Each can be treated using antiviral drugs as well as painkillers to ease discomfort from symptoms. Doctors urge those who believe they are suffering from a serious infection to visit the ER. Wisconsin's Aurora, how you say it, Salakia, Aurora healthcare system, which treats 1.2 million patients a year, is among the latest to bring back mask mandates for its units. It says that visitors will now need to mask up when in contact with patients or in congregate areas, including patient rooms and other areas designed for signage, and it follows hospital systems in other states like New Jersey, where its largest hospital system, RWJ Barnabas, like you on the word health, which sees 3 million patients a year, has also reinstated its mask mandate. In guidance posted online, the hospital system also said that visitors would now be expected to wear an appropriate face mask and maintain physical distance. It added, "We will offer you a new mask for a source control or may ask you to replace your own mask with a hospital supplied mask." The Rush University Medical Center, Rush Copley Medical Center, and Rush Oak Park Hospital in Illinois have also all started requiring face masks for staff and visitors. And the Indiana Union Health has asked visitors to wear face masks due to an uptick in respiratory viruses. To avoid getting sick, the CDC recommends getting an annual flu vaccination and staying up to date on COVID and RSV vaccines. Flu and COVID shots are recommended for those aged 6 months and older, while the RSV vaccine is available for those who are 75 years old and above. It also recommends other actions to help limit the spread of viruses, including frequent hand washing, covering coughs and sneezes, and staying at home when sick. The U.S. is now well into its flu season, which lasts from December to February every year. All right, and as you can see, man. All right, they're going to push that vaccination, man. All right, Esau's going to push it. All right, he's going to push these mask mandates. All right, it's all coming, man. All right, it's all coming not with just this. All right, but also the bee flu and things of that sort, all about, all right, in the masses. All right, you know it's coming, man. All right, lockdowns is coming. All of that stuff is coming, man. All right, so hey, this is again just another thing to add on to the list, man, of things things that's going to affect. All right, in the near future, man. All right, and this is on Ephesians 5 and verse 15. "See then that ye walk circumspectly, not as fools, but as wise." All right, and how do you walk circumspectly? By paying attention to what's really going on in the world. All right, and how do you do that? By reading these alternative articles. All right, and filtering it with the scriptures. All right, and that's how you walk circumspectly, man. Paying attention to what's really going on. All right, keeping your head on the swivel. All right, redeeming the time because the days are evil. All right, redeeming the time because the days are evil. And we are truly in some evil times. All right, we're at the end of this devil's kingdom. All right, and this devil's going to push hard, man. We're getting ready to see this devil's true horns come out, man. All right, so we really have to keep our head on the swivel, pay attention, walk circumspectly, man. All right, because we most definitely are in the end, man. All right, as you can see, everything is starting to get worse and worse, man. All right, as the days go by. All right, Go to another scripture. All right. We just have to, and this is just a reminder, so we can keep an eye out on what's going on, man. All right, because not only do you got this going on with the viruses and things, all right, we're heading to another presidential election time. All right, well, we're pretty much already in it, all right, but hey, that's what a week away, all right, if that. All right, so that just shows you, man. All right, what times we're in. All right, when the C-19 hit, it was around election time, man. All right, so hey, we just gotta watch as well as pray, man. All right, we gotta continue to pay attention to what's really going on, man. All right, and we are truly at the end of Esau's kingdom. All right, um, all right, this second Ezra 15 and verse 5. Behold, saith the Lord, I will bring plagues upon the world, the sword, famine, death, and destruction. All right, and the Most High is most definitely bringing plagues upon this world. All right, the sword, famine, death, and also destruction, man. Like the scripture says, man. All right, and as you see, man, things are picking up, man. All right. Each year has gotten worse and worse. All right. And this could be that year where they bring back the lockdowns. All right. Where this devil really shows his horns, man. All right. So again, man, you got a lot of stuff going on, man. All right. You got the C-19 still out there. All right. You got these other flus and viruses, and hey, man, it's a lot, man. All right. And the Most High is the one that's in control. All right. So again, man, we just have to pay attention and continue to pray. All right, because this devil's kingdom is most certainly going down, man. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right. This is 2 Timothy 2, 3 and 1, so like it. This is 2 Timothy 3 and 1, and it reads, thus, it's like this, know also that in the last days perilous times shall come. All right. And we're most definitely in the last days, man. Perilous means dangerous. All right. And those dangers are coming on every side, man. All right. If it's not it's like these plagues, all right. It's always something different, man. All right, we are truly in some dangerous times, man. All right, and only Yahweh Shem Shah can keep us in that safe haven. All right, and keep us safe, man. All right. Like I said, let's read again. This know also that in the last days perilous times shall come. All right, and we are truly in some perilous times, dangerous times, man. All right, anything can happen. As you can see, all these viruses and things are amping up, but we know who's bringing all this stuff, man. Yahweh Shem Shai. All right, so hey, our best bet is to cling on to the Lord, man. All right, that's our best bet. I'll grab that 1 Peter 4 and 7 real quick. I'm going to end it on that. All right, this is 1 Peter 4 and verse 7. But the end of all things is at hand. Be ye therefore sober and watch unto prayer. All right. And hey, the end of all things is truly at hand. All right. Esau's kingdom is at hand. The downfall of his whole kingdom is on this. It's like the downfall of his whole kingdom is right now, man. We're seeing the downfall of this devil's kingdom. we're seeing all of these things that are happening. The Most High bringing all these plagues and famines and these and all sorts of disasters, man. We're seeing these things, man. All right. Um, and like the scripture said, the end of all things is at hand. All right. And, which is beautiful, man. We just gotta continue to watch. All right. Continue to pray. All right. Because again, man, this devil, all right, is for sure moving. He's for sure busy, and he's trying to take every Jake he can with him, man, on his way out, man. All right. So again, those mass mandates are coming back. All right. This devil is getting I'm just speaking as a man. This devil is getting ready to make his move very soon, man. All right. So our best bet is to trust in the Lord. All right. With all our might, man. All right, with everything in us, trust in the Lord, man. All right, because again, the C-19 was a snippet of what's getting ready to happen. All right. So again, I hope you brothers were edified. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem, Yahweh Shai, by Hashem Rakakwadash. Double honors to the elders of Great Millstone that rule well. And I've been pushing this word for years. And third time I came out there from the four corners of the globe, say shalom, and peace, blessings, say to you, brothers. Let's keep pushing this word.